Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jeff Cantagallo from carshows.com. So as you can see here, here's a sample video of the Rexing dash cam. This is the V1 Gen 3. So at 170 degree wide angle, as you can see here, it covers pretty much the full range of the front windshield. I elected to only get the front-facing cam. The rear-facing cam, in past experience with old dash cams with tinted windows, it's very hard to see out the tinted windows, especially at night. So I only elected to get the front-facing cam. As far as setting up the camera, is pretty straightforward. Running the wiring and everything, it's pretty simple. If you're a first-time dash cam user, it's really easy to get in there, navigate through the menu and all the options. So there's not much to it. I mean, it's really simple, easy to figure out. The next clip, as you'll see coming up here in a second, is an early morning drive to work in the rain. As you can see, the quality is pretty decent. I mean, even with the raindrops, hitting the windshield and the windshield wipers going. So overall, I'm impressed with the cam. Like I said, I've used. I think this is probably the third or fourth dash cam I've reviewed, and so far I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, the main feature for this dash cam in my write-up, I mentioned the Wi-Fi. Being able to download the video clips directly to your cell phone is such a time saver. You don't have to eject the SD card out of the cam and then put it in your computer and download, and this way you access the app, you can access the camera directly, you select the video clips, you download them, and then you can save them right to your phone. So it's such an easy process. It's really straightforward. I've had the camera now for probably about a couple of months, so I wanted to make sure everything worked. As you can see here is a white Mitsubishi Evo passing cars on the shoulder there. I guess he was in a hurry to get home. So anyway, I hope you guys like the review. If you have any questions, drop some comments, and I'll be sure to answer as much as I can. Thank you.